guys, we're here at
In
Walmart
Walmart.
and we're going to buy some groceries.
Okay. We are here in Walmart. Butte. Here's the cart.
Let's go.
Yes,
I'll
let's
show
go.
you what we have when we got home. Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna cook a simple snack, Filipino simple snack. It's a banana, cooking banana. We buy this in Walmart. And
Plantain.
this is a kind of like a long banana. In the Philippines, it's just like short here.
It's called plantain banana.
Plantain banana.
Here.
And then we have a jackfruit. And you can buy this in Asian store or
And in the Philippines, it's fresh.
in the Philippines, it's fresh, yeah. And then we have cooking oil, prepared cooking oil, and a lumpia wrapper. So, let's get started. My sister is here. She's gonna helping me. We're bringing some this for our Filipino friends.
Snacks for the Filipino friends.
I have to peel the banana and then I chop three times because it's very long, and I cut another half. I already washed my hands, so after that I just need to chop 4 times, maybe 3 times. Like that. 3. Okay, I will keep chopping and I'll be right back. I have the banana chop and then I have the jackfruit chop. And I need to wrap it. Okay, my wrapping got wet, so I think I need to be careful peeling my wrapper because it's gonna get wet. It's not as good. Okay, I need to put the 2 slices of banana in here. And put the jackfruit. Wrapping paper is wet. Get closer. Okay, I'll grab 2. Closer. Okay, I have the 2 sliced banana and the jackfruit. Then I will wrap it. The wrapping paper is not as good, but I will try my best to make it good. You need to make it really tight to wrap it because it's not coming out. I will do it one more time. Okay, I'll wrap it and put that one. So this is a very simple and easy to make. And it's yummy. You can put a little bit sugar also if you like inside. Okay, we put the wrapped banana and jackfruit. Just wait until it's golden brown. Over till it's golden brown. Looks yummy. You can also make ahead of time. You can make a lot of this and you can put in Ziploc and freeze it. And every time you want a snacks, you can just fry it and ready to go. This is our snacks. Banana egg rolls with jackfruits. So yummy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.